Dogs are not just our pets, they are family. And family ke liye, we all need the same thing. The right care, the right love, and the right food. And that's where Jerhai comes in. Jerhai comes from International Pet Food Corporate Limited, Thailand, part of the CP Group. As one of the world's top poultry traders, CP Group delivers premium quality frozen meat for human consumption. Therefore, the same quality, trust and safety goes into every single treat. ये इतने trusted हैं that even NASA relies on them for space-safe chicken. Yes, the same company जो astronauts को feed करती है, Jerhai के लिए भी वही लोग provide करते हैं high quality chicken meat. Isn't that cool? The same quality of meat that you would want on your plate, Jerhai इंश्योर करता है कि आपके पेट की हर ट्रीट के अंदर वही क्वालिटी मीट हो. Even the chicken used is free from all the antibiotics, hormone injections and bird flu. That means that your dog gets the highest quality meat as an ingredient in their treats. It's produced under ISO, GMP and HACCP certification. That means that every single bite is safe, healthy and nutritious, bilkul human food standard jaise. Because at Jerhai, we truly believe that food is medicine. Now, let's talk about what makes Jerhai so special. First is our soft and chewy treats. These are your go-to training rewards.
It is a perfect training reward due to its soft texture and irresistible taste. It is easy to chew and easy to digest. Enriched with essential vitamins and minerals to support overall health, these treats are your perfect everyday partner.
And these come in 14 different flavors, so your dog is never bored of the taste. Presenting our gourmet and functional treats, एकदम superfood vibe के साथ. ये treats सिर्फ tasty नहीं है, बल्कि real meat, rich flavor and function nutrients से भरपूर हैं, जो हर बाइट को बनाता है healthy plus tasty का perfect combination. हमारी panna cotta, morning and bedtime treats superfood goodness के साथ आती हैं. On the go nutrition के लिए chicken and liver hot dog bars, जिसमें nutrients, vitamins and minerals का superfood punch है. Easy to carry, easy to feed. और soft chew cravings के लिए meat mellow, premium quality chicken के साथ spinach, quinoa, postbiotics for gut health and salmon for skin and coat. And then there's our holistic food. Jerhai meat as meals. These are super premium, soft, palatable food, specially crafted for small breeds like Shih Tzus and Beagle, who often gulp their food instead of chewing. Preservative-free and minimally processed. Jerhai gives your dog all-round wellness, energy, immunity, a shiny coat, and strong bonds. And that's not it. It's best for picky eaters. And of course, our wet food range, gravy and jelly. If your dog enjoys variety, this is a real winner. And do you know, Jerhai is the first brand in India to give duck meat in gravy? Every serving is rich and aromatic, with real meat as the #1 ingredient. That is an excellent source of protein which helps your dog boost immunity, give a shiny coat, and enhance your bone strength. Finally, meet the showstopper, Jerhai Gold Jerky. This is the future of treats, luxury in every single bite. It's high protein and low fat. Honestly, dogs just go crazy for it. Jerhai Gold Jerky is made from meat as the only ingredients. And इसमें यूज किए हुए चिकन को विदाउट किसी एंटीबायोटिक और हार्मोन के रेज किया जाता है. Gold Jerky provides real high quality protein. Gold Jerky truly sets a gold standard. Dogs really love this because the chew, the aroma and the craving. It's the closest thing to real meat. Jerhai is not just a treat brand. It's a wholesome brand for all your furry baby's nutritional needs.